If someone texts you LOL, NGL, BRB, or WBU, and you think it's a secret government code, well then this video is for you. English is not trying to be mysterious, but it just enjoys becoming tiny sometimes. So in this video, if you haven't understood, we are going to learn about 15 acronyms native speakers use in messages, comments, social media, and sometimes even when speaking. By the end of this video, you will understand them, you will know when to use them, and you will not panic when your friend or colleague writes only 3 letters in a message. Hi, and welcome to the World Language School. And today we're going to decode real-life English acronyms. Important note, these are informal, so you use them with friends, in messages, online, and in casual situations. But please do not write LOL and BRB in an email to your boss, unless your boss is very relaxed, really relaxed. So we are going to divide these acronyms into 3 groups. First, acronyms for reactions. Second, acronyms for opinions. And third, acronyms for texting and social media. But before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel for more easy and practical English videos. So let's start with part 1 and let's talk about acronyms you can use for reactions. So the first one, which I think many of you might know, is LOL or LOL. LOL means laughing out loud. You use it when something is very funny. For example, that video was so funny, LOL. But be careful, today many people use LOL even when they are not really laughing out loud. So sometimes LOL means that's funny. Sometimes it means I don't really know what to say. Or sometimes it also means I am uncomfortable about this, but I want to be polite. Okay, let's move on. Next one is JK. JK means just kidding. So you use it after a joke, so people know you are not serious. For example, I ate all the cake, JK. It means I'm joking. Okay, so very useful when your joke is a little risky. The next is TBT. Now, TBT means throwback Thursday. People use it on social media when they post an old photo or memory, usually on a Thursday. For example, TBT to my trip to London. It means here is an old memory. And now, TGIF. TGIF means thank God it's Friday. So people say it when the working week is almost finished. For example, long week, TGIF. Use it when you're happy the week is over and it's Friday, which, let's be honest, this is a very international feeling. Okay, now let's look at part 2. Acronyms people use when they give opinions. So number 1 is TBH. TBH means to be honest. For example, TBH, I don't like this song. It means honestly, I don't like this song. The next one is NGL. NGL means I'm not going to lie. It is very informal. It means I'm going to be honest. For example, NGL, the exam was very difficult. Or NGL, this coffee is amazing. So TBH and NGL are very similar. TBH, to be honest. NGL, I'm not going to lie. Both introduce an honest opinion. Next up is IDC. Now, IDC means I don't care, but be careful with this one. It can sound rude if you use it in the wrong situation. For example, what movie do you want to watch? IDC, which means I don't care. It can mean I have no preference, but it can also sound a little bit cold. A softer option is I don't mind. So with friends, IDC is okay. In polite English, you should probably say, I don't mind. Now, the next acronyms are very useful when texting. For example, the first one is BTW, which means by the way. You use it to add information. For example, BTW, the lesson starts at 6, or BTW, I saw your message. So it is very common in messages. Next is BRB. Now, BRB means be right back. You use it when you leave for a short time. For example, BRB, I need a coffee. This is a pretty important sentence. The next is TTYL. TTYL means talk to you later. You use it when you end a conversation. For example, I have to go TTYL. It's very friendly and very informal. Next is NVM. Now, NVM means never mind. You use it when something is not important anymore. For example, can you help me with this? Oh, NVM, I found it. It means don't worry, forget it. Next one is WBU. WBU means what about you? For example, I'm well. WBU, it means, well, I'm well. What about you? This is very common in quick texting. Next one and the last one of this part is WFH. Now, WFH means work from home. For example, I'm WFH today. It means I'm working from home today. You can use this in work chats, in messages, or in casual conversations. So let's do a mini practice. Complete the message. I'm busy now. I'll message you later. Which acronym fits? TTYL, IDC, or TGIF? The answer is A, TTYL. Talk to you later. So I'm busy now. I'll message you later. TTYL. Now let's move on to the last part, which is part 4, and we're going to look at social media acronyms. The first one is OOTD, which means outfit of the day. People use it when they post what they are wearing. For example, OOTD, black jeans and a white shirt. Very common on Instagram, TikTok, and of course, fashion posts. Now, the next one is IYKYK. Now, this one looks a little bit scary, but actually it's simple. IYKYK means if you know, you know. People use it when something is an inside joke or something only some people understand. For example, Monday morning coffee, IYKYK. This means if you understand this feeling, you understand. The next one is BTW. We already looked at this previously, but it is also very common in comments and captions on social media. For example, BTW, this place is amazing. And there you go. We looked at 15 acronyms that you can use every day. Now it's your turn. Write one short message in the comments using one of these acronyms. For example, TBH, English acronyms are confusing, or BRB, I need coffee, or TGIF, even if it's only Tuesday. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to learn and practice more real English expressions people use in everyday conversations. And please like our video. It means the world to us. TTYL.